Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to turn on your rankings in TikTok Live. And actually it's a pretty straightforward tutorial and very few steps. So let's get straight into it. First open your TikTok app and then as you will open your live as you usually do, just click on this plus button right here. So click on it and here go to live. And then here you will see this panel. So you can either add a title, add a topic, edit your live goal, etc. But what's most important here is to go to the settings here. So click on the settings and here you will see this panel pop up. So you just have to scroll down a bit until you find this ranking button. So click on this rankings button and here you will find all the rankings that you want. So live creator ranking, gaming ranking, creator ranking notification, etc. So if you want to turn them on, just click on these buttons and then it will be good. So that was it guys. As you have seen, it was very straightforward and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.